Yo, what's going on guys? It's the MNC committee. So guys, today I have brought you a trick which only requires 16 cards and no setup. So let's get on to the trick. So guys, first I hand over the deck to the spectator by which he can shuffle it. If you are interested in cardistry, you can click the link in the description. You can click on the I button even to check out our playlist. So guys, let's get onto a trick. So after my spectator is satisfied by shuffling, I just ask my spectator to take 16 cards from anywhere of the deck. So my spectator deals 16 cards: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So guys, I don't know what are these 16 cards. My spectator can shuffle these cards even. After shuffling, I just ask my spectator to pick up a card. So my spectator picks up this one. So in this case, you can have a look at it. Okay, after taking a look, I'm gonna just place it somewhere around the center of the pack. So it's gone. You can have a look, it's not at the top and not even at the bottom. So let's shuffle the deck. Now for this trick, I'll just do a shuffle which is called as the American shuffle. So it looks something like this. One card goes at the bottom and one card's down. So let's shuffle the cards just like this. I'm gonna transfer the deck down one by one. So I guess this is not your card. Yes, because this is my key card. Okay, now I'm gonna ask my spectator to cut the cards as much as times you want. So my spectator cuts the cards. After cutting, I ask my spectator to make 2 piles. So the spectator is doing in his hand. Okay, then I ask my spectator which pile comprises of my key cards. So this pile, okay, then eliminate this pile and keep it at the top of this pile. Okay, now let's make the pile once again. Now I ask my spectator which pile, this pile, because it comprises of my key card, eliminating this pile. Now for the last time, I ask my spectator to do it. So this pile, okay. Now one card is left with my key card, so have a look at it. Is the spectator selection. So I hope guys you enjoyed this trick a lot. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and also press the like button. So guys, let's get on to the tutorial. I hope guys you enjoyed the performance of this trick. So guys, here's the tutorial. So guys, this requires no setup. I told you before also. So you can hand over the deck to the spectator. He can shuffle it as much as times he wants. After shuffling, you just ask your spectator to deal of 16 cards from anywhere of the deck. So in this case, I am just dealing it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 cards. You can even ask your spectator to shuffle these cards. Okay, now what you have to do is control the spectator's selection to the bottom of the deck. So how will you do it? So I use the technique. So I ask my spectator to take off a card. So in this case, it's the 2 of spades. Now I have taken a break. I have already teach this trick in one of my videos. You can click on the suggestion card so for learning it. So guys, you can ask the spectator that this is your selection, and now I'm gonna be placing it somewhere inside the center of the pack, but it's not going in the center, it's just controlled second from the top. Now you can show the spectator that this is not your card, not at the top and not even the bottom. Now you have to perform an overhand shuffle by controlling the spectator selection at the bottom of the deck. That's it. What you have to do is just ask your spectator to pull off a card. He pulls, for example, the Joker. Now control this card just to the bottom of the deck. Okay guys, now what you have to do Now you have to perform a simple shuffle which looks something like this. So it's called the American shuffle. So how you have to do it, it's one card down and one card on the table. Okay, one card down, one card on the table. So like this you have to do it. Be sure that you know what you are doing. Do it really slowly and steadily, by which you never make mistake. And I suggest you to practice this trick once before showing it to any spectator. And the last card goes at the top. So now, Joker is the spectator selection, but it's not here. Now what you have to do is ask the spectator to cut the deck. So next mechanism is really simple. The spectator cuts the deck anytime you want. You have to just make 2 piles. The trick works on its own. You don't have to do something. You have to just perform that shuffle and the trick works on its own. So here is the spectator pile. Keep it right here. This one goes here. This one goes here, and the spectator selected the Joker, which is your selection. So I hope guys you enjoyed this trick a lot. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, also press the subscribe. So goodbye.